Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. We are going to test out these new, to me, alcohol inks that I just received. I bought them off Amazon. I know Ray over at Ray's Turquoise Turtle did a couple videos reviewing or testing these inks not all that long ago. I will link to hers below if you haven't seen them yet. After you watch this one, go check those out. We're doing similar things, but I'm twisting things up a little bit. So I've got my turner out that goes
to 11.
And we are going to do the alcohol ink waterfall / rain method on this. I may use heat, which is what will make it more like a waterfall. I may not. I may just see what happens without. I kind of like to use heat. I haven't done that in a while. I'm going to start by flooding the cup. I am going to use these 4 colors. This is yellow, lemon green, followed by green, followed by sapphire blue. So I'm probably going to go in that order down the cup, but you know, the things will blend, no doubt. And then the next cup, also happening in this video, will be an alcohol ink swirl tumbler on resin, and I'm going to use all the metallics in here for that, which should be really interesting because there are quite a few metallics in here, so I want to see how they behave on resin. So please stick around. All right, we're going to start by turning this puppy on and getting going. Make sure the cup is in frame. That's the important part. Turn it on, get it cranking. Please excuse the noise. I may add a little music over here so that you don't have to listen to that. I'm going to do something slightly different. I don't know why I haven't tried this yet, but instead of just doing this and then pouring on more from here or from a little dropper bottle or something, I'm going to try spritzing it with my ultrafine mister, which is so fine. We'll see if that makes any difference, because I haven't done that yet for some reason. So here we go. This flooding of the cup with alcohol onto the spray painted matte base gives the ink somewhere to go. And we'll see how they travel. Oops. Trying to get them on the cup is probably not a bad idea. Look at that one. They do their own thing. They will travel. It's also possible this is tilted upward. That's all right. I think this is gorgeous. I'm not going to do anything else to it. Did this do what I thought it would? I'm not sure. I mean, it blended it somewhat. I don't know quite what I was expecting. I love the results, and I don't mind at all that I have mostly blue and very little yellow. That doesn't bother me at all. I'm going to let this keep spinning until it's completely dry and then put resin on it, and I'll bring you back for the next part after that. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl. Oh, no, wait. Okay, we're back for the second cup. This time I have a black tumbler because we are going to put resin on it, and then all of these HTVRont metallic alcohol inks. We have a metallic black, olive gold, gold, rose gold, and brick red gold. So no blues. That's too bad. But I am curious how they're going to behave. I'm going to use, whoopsie. Well, there goes my Mr. Nola's Glitters Glass Coat Epoxy. I'm going to mix up about 20 milliliters of that, slap it on. It has a nice long working time, and it should provide good movement so we can see what the alcohol inks do once they hit the resin. I'm going to use some heat on it, I expect. I'll use my heat gun. I do have the deeper white from this collection, and I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. This is what you might want to drop on top of the colors to get more movement in other alcohol ink swirl situations. Whether I really want to use it on the metallics or not, I'm not sure yet. So I have it here, it's open and ready to go, but I'm going to put it off to the side, and I'm just going to start by putting on the metallic alcohol inks, and we'll see how it looks. I'll hit it with some heat, tilt it some, see what happens with it. Maybe I'll use the deeper white, maybe I won't. I'll know when I get there. And we're back. Okay, here are our 2 cups from the HTVRont alcohol inks tests. Here is how this one turned out under resin. Look at how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. I put a layer of KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV as the final layer. I just think that is beautiful, especially the turquoise that it formed in the middle. It's gorgeous. And these blues, I mean, this sapphire blue down here is wow. And then the metallic one, I got it moving, I sure did. I'm not sure how I feel about the colors, but I think it's lovely. I think the swirls are great. I mean, they look like, you know, feathers or something. Just beautiful. Here, we'll do a once around. All right, so now I would say it's time to put decals on these and finish them up. I'm going to put the same decal on both. I have different font choices for the saying, but the decal itself, the graphic, will be the same. That's a good spot. I need to put the words on first because the decal is printable vinyl and I can't put transfer tape with the saying over the top of that. I'll rip it. So the safest way to do it is to put the words on first. So the question is, which looks better, this or this? And I'll be honest, I'm leaning towards the slightly, I don't know, fancier, I guess, the script, but I like this one. So we'll do this one. Here's the decal, beautiful graphic of our planet. So I'm gonna put that there, and then the saying will go here. There we go. Now the question is, I have 2 sizes. I have 3.5 inches, and I have 3. I think I'll go with the smaller of the 2. This is my favorite Nito brand printable vinyl, using Print Then Cut in Cricut. Okay, so there's that one. Basically the same thing on this one. And honestly, I'm tempted to go the same route, using the script instead of the, this is a little too cutesy. I'm thinking it's a tiny bit more sophisticated with the script. Okay. Save our planet. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to put a final layer of resin on this. I will probably use another layer of Chaos Liquid Stone Ultra UV. And then I'm going to put these up for sale. I'm going to sell each one for $50. That includes shipping in the US. This is US only. I apologize to the international customers. I truly do. But since the shipping is included in the price, I'm going to have to limit how far I can ship it. Each penny of that $50 for each cup will go to TeamSeas. They are dedicated to pulling a pound of plastic waste out of the ocean for every dollar donated. So 50 pounds will get pulled out of the ocean for this cup, and 50 pounds of plastic trash will get pulled out for this cup. 100 pounds altogether. I'm not saying somebody has to buy both. This isn't a package deal. You can go to two different people. I'm just saying that this will be a donation. You will get a beautiful cup that you watched me make, and the money will all go to getting pounds of trash out of our ocean. And I will email you a confirmation of the donation so you know I'm not just pocketing the money myself, because I would not do that. But in case there are any questions about it, these will be donations to TeamSeas. There's more about them. There's their website link down below. My email is in the description down below. Please reach out to me via my email if you are interested in buying one or both of these cups. Thank you very much for joining me. This is not the end of the video, because I'm going to put resin on this, and then we are going to do the big sunshine reveal. So stay tuned for that.